Look here, you want to know how you can make some extra money? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Yes, I'm gonna tell you how you can make some extra money. You just have to be patient. Welcome to the Gold Rise, hosted by myself, Mr. Holliness, and my spirited sidekick friend right here named Bone. This channel is your go-to for truth, practical advice, and empowering knowledge, all delivered with a little humor. Me and Bone bring a wealth of wisdom and credibility, while Bone tries to keep things lively. We break down complex ideas into simple, actionable steps with a little bit of laughter along the way. Whether you're looking for self improvement tips or some life changing insights or just to have a good time, we've got you covered. Okay, so let me just share this with you. The reason why we got these hoodies on is because when you have no hair on your head gets cold. Yeah, it gets cold. I ain't got no hair on my head, neither does he. We're not as fortunate as some of you guys. So yeah, that's why we got these on. But anyway, let's talk about 811. And I'm gonna get to the money. Hold up. But 811 is a nationally recognized phone number that you call before you do any type of digging, any type of excavation. And the reason why you have to call 811 before you do this, it's because it's the law. Yes, a lot of people don't know it is the law to call 811 before you do any type of digging or excavation. And the reason why you call 811 is to find out where things are like water line, gas line, electrical line, cable, TV line. You want to know where those lines are before you do any type of digging. So yes, and yes, it is the law for real. You can check. It's the law. Um, some of the things that can happen if you don't call 811, you can cause utility damages, you can get fined, you can cause service interruptions, and worst case scenario, you can cause death. Yeah, you can die from digging. Trust me, you can die from digging. You can hit a gas line, go boom. You can hit a electrical line and electrocute yourself. But yes, you can die from this. But I got some advice for you. If you're confused about 811, if you're confused about underground utilities, I want you to reach out to a company called Ground Vision. That's right, Ground Vision. I want you to email them though. That's what I want you to do. You're going to email Ground Vision at groundvisioninc@gmail.com. Again, their email address is groundvisioninc@gmail.com. And what you do is you just email them any questions you may have about 811, any questions you may have about underground utilities, and they will answer those questions. They will also take care of your 811 process, and they can come out there and make sure all your private and public utilities are located and marked. Again, that is groundvisioninc@gmail.com. All right. I told you I'm going to tell you how you can make some money. So now I'm going to tell you. I got your attention now, huh? So this is how you can make some extra money. It's called a virtual dispensary. That's right. A virtual dispensary. Yes. Cannabis. Yes, I'm talking about cannabis. So anybody who knows anything about the cannabis industry knows that it is probably one of the fastest growing industries in the world today, for real. And you can own your own virtual dispensary. I'm a virtual dispensary owner. Bone is a virtual dispensary owner. Only difference between me and him is I'm more of an owner, he's more of a customer. But guess what? I'm gonna explain both sides because it's a win-win for both sides, whether you're an owner like me or you prefer to act more of a customer like him. Let's just say if you're a customer, let's start off with that one first. If you're a customer of a virtual dispensary, you can order from anywhere at any time of the day. Middle of the night, you can order from any place. Yeah, you could be in church and order your products, and yeah, you can do that. So that is an advantage. Plus there's no face-to-face interaction with anybody. This is privacy now. So if you're that doctor, that lawyer, that politician who'd like to get high, Kudos to you. Guess what? You can order it and it comes right to your front door. You don't have to worry about everybody knowing your business. Now, let's talk about being an owner though, because I'm an owner. Because I said I was going to tell you how you can make some extra money. Okay, so if you're a virtual dispensary owner, guess what? There's no overhead costs. There's no overhead costs. So you don't have to worry about paying the rent every month or a lease. You don't have to worry about the utilities for a building. You don't have to worry about security guard on the at the front door, on the outside, the security guard on the inside. Yeah, we all, I'm sure some of y'all have been in dispensaries. Come on, let's keep it real with each other. But yes, virtual dispensary, no overhead costs. And get this one, as an owner, you have increased reach. Increased reach. You want to know what that means? That means anybody all over the world can buy your product because they're having it shipped to them. They're buying it online. It's a virtual dispensary. Come on, folks, wake up. This is a great way to make some extra money. I'm telling you right now, a great way to make some extra money. And guess what? You ain't got to be clocking in no clock all the time and go get somebody 8 hours every day or 10 hours a day, whatever it is. You don't have to do that. All you got to do is talk, 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 run your mouth, tell people what you do, and it will sell itself. Yeah, it will sell itself. Cannabis has always sold itself. And people who smoke know what I'm talking about. Cannabis has always sold itself. You just tell 3 or 4 people, and those 3 or 4 people tell another 3 or 4 people. Next thing you know, it's hundreds of people knowing about this. But yes, if you want to be a virtual dispensary owner, all you have to do is email Bone, and he's going to get some information from you. And then after he verifies some information, he's going to give you all the goods. That's right. All you got to do is email Bone. The email address is thegorage@gmail.com. Again, the email address is thegorage@gmail.com. And I'm going to spell it for you. That is TheGorauge@gmail.com. So, yes, if you want to be a virtual dispensary owner, email thegorage@gmail.com and Bone will reach back out to you and we'll get you started and you'll have the money coming in soon. Trust me. Now that I've got that, you, you ain't about to say nothing. Anyway, now that I've got that out, we're not going to talk about the table of truth. We're going to let the table of truth go this week, but we do have some people we're going to bring to the table of truth next time for sure. We got a couple people we need to expose. Um, but before I let you go, we always talk about let's help each other. And let's help each other is very, very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to email us whatever it is that you have that you sell, that you want to promote, whatever it is that you do, you email us and we're going to share it right here on the show. That's right. We're going to share it with everybody. We're going to hype you up, talk about your product or whatever it is you're selling, and we're going to help you out. And in return, all you got to do is share this show with somebody, maybe like this show, subscribe to it, or just tell somebody about it. Just tell somebody about it. That's right. Let's help each other. Now, the way we help each other is the same way about finding out about the virtual dispensary. You're going to email thegorage@gmail.com. Thegorage@gmail.com. All right. Before I let y'all go, I want y'all to know one thing. Tomorrow ain't promised. Just remember that. Tomorrow ain't promised. So whatever you need to get right, get it right. I'm out of here. You got something you gonna say, Bone, before we go? Just say something to the people. Hey, he said what he said.